pose. Okay, as you can see, I'm super duper excited because I have some unveiling to do. Before I continue, I want to really appreciate God for all He has done for me. I am so grateful for my little beginning. Let me just give you a brief on how my setup was like before I got this tripod stand. So I had a ring light before it got spoiled and I dismantled it. This part of it, I usually use it for my close shot, just the way I'm demonstrating right now. So I'll strap a rubber band around it. This is a DIY, just in case you are saving up for a tripod stand. You could start with this. This is how I use the ring light for my content creating, that's tutorials and DIYs. I have this nail I put on my ceiling, then I tie cloth on it, wrap it around the ring light. In fact, this is my table. See the distance between both of them, and the angles are very nice. Now I have my own tripod stand. Please clap for me. I mean, I'm so excited about this. It's one of those things I wrote in my journal from the start of the year that I wanted to own to help elevate my content creating, and I finally did it. Before we get to the unveiling of the tripod stand, I got this tape. It's a retractable sewing tape. Like, it's very easy to carry along. You can just hang it on your neck like a neck piece. I love it. If you watch some of my videos, you notice I've already started using this particular tape. So that aside, let's get to the unveiling. This tripod stand came with a Bluetooth shutter remote control. It's very useful, especially if you don't have someone to take pictures for you. So instead of setting it on timer and just coming back to change the timer and all of that, you could just connect that to your Bluetooth and you are good to go. So the tripod stand didn't come with a phone stand. I got this additional accessory. It's a holder tripod phone clip. It rotates 360 degrees. Aside this, I also got a tripod clip phone holder for the old ring light tripod stand. I got that because there are some videos I will need to take two different angles, right? So instead of recording the first pause then change the angle, I could just set both cameras on two different angles. That was why that was gotten. So this is it. And if you have just a tripod stand alone, you could just get this phone holder and just use it with your tripod stand in case you want to vlog or you want to take portrait mode pictures or portrait mode videos. It's going to be so useful. Now let's get to the unveiling of our tripod stand. As of the time I bought this tripod stand, it was about 24,000 naira. Let's just say the Bluetooth remote, the tripod phone holder clip, the tripod clip phone holder, and the tripod stand were all gotten for 31,000 naira. So guys, you could see the excitement written all over my face. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys the other functions of the stand. The stand is very strong. I think it rotates 360. Yeah, and it has adjustable legs. I love it. I'm so excited about this. Please get ready for amazing content. I also got this handbag hanger, which I'll be using for both my wigs and my handbags. So guys, I also got a new laptop. For the longest time, I've had issues with my phone storage, and I mean, when I'm editing, my phone gets so hot that I could fry an egg on it and it will actually fry. My intention was to get a new phone, but first is, I mean, electronics are super expensive. The phone I had in mind was so pricey. The other alternative I had was to get a system. So this is an HP G5, yeah, a 250 gig. I think 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗔𝗬 generation 13 or so. I think I'll drop more details about this system in my description box, so in case you're interested, I could also help you with the vendor handle. Aside that, I also got a smaller phone. This is a Samsung Note 9. In fact, it was a gift. The next thing we are going to be unveiling soon by the grace of God will be a new mannequin. We've been saving up for that. So guys, thank you so much, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing and interesting content. Our tutorial video will be dropped soon. I love you guys. Stay put and do have a blessed day. So watch out for more content.